Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming device compatibility. Some older Nest Hub models cannot install apps, so make sure yours supports casting. Next, sign into the same Google account on both your phone and the Hub so devices can communicate. Once done, verify your Netflix subscription and have your email and password ready. This avoids pauses during login. These steps speed the process because they remove account and compatibility bottlenecks before you attempt to link or cast content. Now update Google Home and Netflix on your phone to ensure compatibility. Outdated apps often block casting. Open Google Home, tap your Nest Hub, and check Settings. Look for linked services or media controls. Then open Netflix, play a show, and tap the cast icon to select your hub. This streams content directly. If no cast icon appears, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and restart the Netflix app. These actions link the app and device for playback. Finally, if the hub prompts, enter your Netflix credentials to authorize playback. This is sometimes required the first time. Once signed in, adjust audio levels and screen timeout in the hub settings so viewing is comfortable. Test by casting another title to confirm stability. If playback fails, restart both your phone and Nest Hub, then retry casting. This resolves most network or app glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: power cycle your router if other devices also lose connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.